Happy holidays, everyone. So glad y'all joined our channel today. And if you're new to our channel, my name is Teresa. Today's projects are going to be how to make some cone trees from some Dollar Tree products, and also I'm going to show you how to make some cute tassels out of songbook pages, and we're going to make a decorative box. All of these projects are going to be super inexpensive and they're going to be so easy to make. So y'all stay tuned, and I hope y'all get lots of inspiration, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. The first cone tree we're going to make is going to be, you're going to need a Dollar Tree tinsel tree. I bought a couple of these last year, and basically we're just going to want to cut the tinsel and just unwrap it off of the little form, and it's very easy to get the tinsel off. Once you get the tinsel off, you're left with this hard plastic form. So now we're going to take some hot glue, and I'm using a scrap piece of fabric. This is an old karate suit that my neighbor gave me, and I soaked it in coffee to give it more of an aged look, and I'm ripping it so it will have those frayed edges. Once you get all of your strips ripped, now we're going to attach them to the tree form. And basically I'm just going to use some hot glue, and I just use a little dab, and I'm going to get my first layer started. Basically we're just going to wrap the whole cone tree form and just use your hot glue as you need it. And we're going to go all the way around it. And you don't have to go around in a consistent pattern, because we want this to look rustic and shabby looking. So just wrap it the best you can, and then when we get done going over the whole tree once, then we're going to go back and kind of add some more strips on top of this.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything?
So once you get to the top, just keep wrapping until you get the point of your tree, and then just secure it down with some hot glue. Now I'm going to take some extra strips, and I'm just going to kind of go over the first layer just to give it more of a textured look. And you could go over it, you know, with some different type fabric if you wanted to. You could put something that had more of a pattern to it. You could put some plaid on it. You could wrap twine around it. So you could actually put whatever kind of top layer on it that you wanted to at this point. Okay, once you've got your tree wrapped, you can pretty much embellish this little tree any way you want to. There's so many options. You know, you can put jewelry on it. If you've got stars, you can put stars. I'm just going to make a bow for it, and I'm about to show you how I'm going to make a really fast and rustic looking little loop bow. And I'm taking the flower sackcloth fabric that I have, and I'm just going to rip some strips, and I'm going to loop it, and then I'm going to use some ribbon that I got at Big Lots. And I'm just going to put that on it, and then also I'm going to put a little hang tag that I purchased at Walmart last year.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
I want to mention here, because this makes me remember that I have ordered some new craft scissors. These are really good scissors. I've used them for several years, and they're just now becoming dull. So if you're looking for some really good sharp craft scissors, good quality, I'm going to leave a link to the ones that I've ordered. And this pair, like I say, I ordered the very same pair because I loved them so much. I'm going to leave the link to those scissors down below. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. Okay, the second cone tree we're going to make is going to be a really easy one too. And I told y'all in my home tour video that you can make cone trees so easy out of poster board. You can get poster board at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I didn't have a piece and I didn't want to run out and get any, but I did use the backing of my scrapbook paper, and it was pretty much the same texture as poster board. And you just basically want to roll it up into a cone. I use some tape to secure it, and then I just cut around the bottom to make it level. Now with some hot glue, I'm going to take some strips of drop cloth, again, that I rip so they'll have frayed edges, and with some glue, hot glue, you just want to start tacking it down, and then every so often you're going to want to twist it just to give it, that textured look. And as you go around, you'll kind of see, how I'm doing it, and you just kind of want to keep going around until you've covered the whole cone.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
I want to point out that I use a very low temp hot glue gun. Me and high temp hot glue guns do not do well together, so usually in all my projects I use a very low temp glue gun. So I just want to mention that. So if you are using a high temp glue gun, please protect your fingers with this project. So at the end, after you've covered the whole tree, then you're going to want to just make sure you get to that point, glue it down, and make sure it goes to a point at the top. And that's all you do. Y'all, you can make these in all sizes.
I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was leaning.
Why, number 3 is going to be some songbook tassels. And this is such an easy little project to do, but they add such a great accent to any of your decor pieces. You just take a songbook page, and if you don't have a songbook or a book, you can also download songbook page printables. So, make sure to go out on Google and see if you can find one out there. So all you do is you want to fold it up like a fan, 1/2 inch increments. So I just took my ruler and I just marked some little 1/2 inch marks. But once you make your first fold, then you just fold over, to match that fold, and you'll have the 1/2 inch. So I just then I unfolded it, and now you're going to want to cut in those little 1/2 inch strips, but you do not want to cut all the way up through the center. You want to leave the center intact. So you just want to go up, just where I have, and like I say, and leave that center where it is attached, because then we're going to fold it over after we've cut these little strips in half. So now we want to cut the 1/2 inch strips in half. And again, you do not want to cut through the center. You want to leave the center attached, because we are going to fold it over and we're going to make a tassel. So once you fold it over, I'm going to kind of bend the top of it, just kind of pull it together, and then I'm going to wrap some twine using some hot glue. I'm going to wrap some twine around the top, and then I'm going to add a couple little loops, and I'm going to add some ribbon to make a hanger. These are so cute and so easy to make. You could also stain these in some coffee to give them more of an aged look, and I think I'm going to make some like that too. But these will be so cute to embellish so many of our things around Christmas time. You can put these on your Christmas tree and use them as ornaments too. Now we're going to make a decorative box, and who doesn't have a bunch of these laying around? And especially when we get closer to Christmas, we're going to have a lot of these. So I'm just going to take a box that I got, something, you know, come in the mail, and basically we're going to chalk paint it. And I'm just going to show you how we can make a very inexpensive but very elegant looking decorative box to put around our Christmas tree, or just, you know, just to decorate with. Chalk paint it, and I did this one linen white. And I don't know if you've ever chalk painted cardboard before, but it's very easy to chalk paint. It dries really fast and it looks really good. And now I'm just going to put some ribbons around it. This is the flower sackcloth I ripped, and I just glued it around the bottom and went across the top, and then I made a bow. And then I'm going to show you how cute those little tassels are going to be on this little decorative box.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video today, and I hope y'all got lots of inspiration. And I hope y'all will try to make some of these little cone trees. They're so easy and so fun to make. And the little decorative box, I hope to make more of these. So this is just going to be a little short video today, and I've got some more content for Christmas coming out. So y'all make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. I also want to mention that the Crafting Cousins, they interviewed me on a little craft chat last Saturday, so I'm going to leave a link to that video down below. It's just a great way to get to know us better. And also I'm going to do another free giveaway, y'all, for a tree collar. I've still got a couple of tree collars left, and I want to share them with y'all, because this company reached out to me and sent me these, and they were so generous and so nice. So I want to make sure I pass them on, and I want y'all to enjoy them also. So just comment tree collar down in the comments, and make sure to do tree collar, because the random selection thing that we use for the drawing will only pick up those two keywords. And also go to the description box and see all the rules to be eligible. Thanks so much, y'all, for watching, and I hope y'all have a great week, and God willing, I'll see y'all in the next video. If you know anyone that would enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family.